All right, guys, we have everything off the truck. All right, let's go both get a shirt. I could both use a shirt. Yeah, look at all the goodness we got off there. This is incredible. All these air conditioners, all these fan motors, all of this copper rads, and oh my goodness gracious, oh my goodness. And this and that and that and that. Grandpa's gonna be busy, guys. Oh my God. So I hope you guys tune in. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss in this video, because we got some stuff going on. Look at this daggum motor right here. Huh? This is what's on the inside of these things, guys. Wow. We're tearing one of these apart. Not to mention there's about 8 pounds of copper on the inside of that thing. Man alive. I've got so much to do now, it's not even funny.
How you saying? Show me the money.
Show me the money. And I'm unloaded. I've got an unloaded trailer. We're getting ready to go load up another load of shred. And then we're going to my newest honey hole ever. You're not going to want to miss it, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. New honey hole coming. Good morning, everybody. Scrapping with Grandpa. What's next? Tell you what's next. We got a bunch of videos to do. All different stuff. Stuff you probably haven't seen me do a whole lot of, but maybe seen me do a few. Check this out. I picked this goodness up yesterday. If you've been watching my last couple videos, OMG. Look at the goodness that I just picked up today. Yesterday. Look at the coils. That's an aluminum coil. That's a copper aluminum coil. And I'm going to be cutting, since these are so bad, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my copper. And also all the copper that's all below it. Oh my word, look at it, guys. I just want to show everybody what I got yesterday. Look at the fan motors. I mean, look at the fan motors. How about that? Fan motors, squirrel cage motors. I mean, I just got so much stuff, I can't even believe it. And yeah, it just keeps going. Look at all this stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 right here that I got yesterday. What? Kidding me right now? Now my yard isn't. Now, not on top of all the ones that I've got for Eric and I just picked up these yesterday. I picked up a new Score honey hole. From now on, every time this man gets 10 air conditioners like that, no matter what size they are or what type they are, he's gonna call me and I get to go pick them up. I give him a little bit for it. Look at all the daggum copper goodness that I have here. Unbelievable. I'm just so excited. I just can't even believe. I can't believe the score that I made yesterday. I have a friend of mine that I've been picking up from this stuff here for a while. All right, guys. Now he used to have his guys take apart this stuff, and you might have seen me, and if you didn't, go check it out. I brought in, I don't know, 50 compressors from the bottom of these air conditioners for $952. Said that I could have all this to take apart, which is going to take me weeks, probably weeks to tear down. And yeah, so if this is something you want to see, subscribe with Grandpa. What's next? I always told you, you never know what's next. Better ring that bell so you're notified next time I put out a video so you don't miss it. Because you can see what I have to work on in my yard. It's mostly HVAC, to be honest with you. Got a couple of them things I want to tear down. Refrigerator. But it's raining today. It rained so hard last night, it's not even funny. Oh my word, it poured. And it's still raining. But I just had to show you guys this. Look at this. Goodness, right there. My word. That's a couple pounds of copper all by itself. Look, remember all them fan motors I just took apart? I got more. Golly, I'm surrounded. I'm completely surrounded with scrap metal. Grandpa is in heaven. If this kind of stuff right here puts you in heaven or gives you a happy place, make sure you ring that bell, because I am going to be busy and loving it. Golly, it's the real deal, guys. I mean, brass, we got copper, we got aluminum, we've got shred, we've got heavy steel, We've got everything that you can imagine that you want to be playing with. And if you like this kind of stuff and want to see what I'm going to do with it, you're going to want to subscribe and ring that bell so you're notified next time I put out a video. Seriously. I still have this whole massive box of stuff to do from my golf cart guy. And I got copper. Look at all the copper in there. We got brass. You name it. It's in that bucket. We got wire. Come on, guys. Give me a like on this one. Picked this up yesterday. Not even to mention what I brought in yesterday. So be checking out my last few videos if you haven't seen them. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Scrapping with Grandpa. What's next? You know what's next. Hey, guys, one more thing. I want to thank all my loyal subscribers. 12,250 or something like that. Grandpa feels blessed, to be honest with you. I just had my 12,000 subscriber giveaway. My 13,000 subscriber giveaway is going to be something different that I've never given away before. So if you want to know what that is, make sure you're a subscriber and you're notified when I put out a video, because what I do is I just put a post out, and I'm going to start doing this now, I should say. I'll put a post out a week before my live videos from now on, and it will let everybody know that I'm going live on a certain date. But anyways, guys, thanks a bunch. It's nasty out today. It looks like I'm going to be staying inside. The good thing is, if you've seen my shop, I got plenty to do in there. Oh my God.